In this quick video, we will talk about on the important DevOps tools that is Grafana, which is also known as the ultimate visualization tool for DevOps. Let's understand, what is Grafana? Grafana is a popular visualization tool that is widely used in DevOps environments. It was created by Torkel Odegaard in 2014 and is now maintained by the Grafana community. Now let's see how it works. Grafana works by collecting data from different sources, such as databases, monitoring tools, and logs, and then providing a web-based interface for visualizing and analyzing that data. It provides a wide range of features for data visualization, including dashboards, panels, alerts. Now we will see how we can use Grafana in production. Number 1. Install Grafana on your server. Number 2. Configure Grafana to collect data from different sources using plugins and data sources. Number 3. Visualize data using dashboards and panels in the Grafana web interface. Number 4. Create alerts to notify users when data meets certain criteria. Number 5. Use annotations to add context to data and identify patterns. Now let's talk about use cases and best practices of Grafana. Grafana is used extensively in DevOps environments for data visualization and analysis. Best practices for using Grafana include using templates to standardize dashboard layouts, using annotations to provide context to data, and using plugins to extend Grafana's functionality. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Now don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick videos.